All welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will do the business economics unit number 1 explanation. So everyone is asking about the explanation videos, no? So by the end of this video you will have the complete knowledge of unit number 1 of business economics. Okay, so in this video I will use English as well as Telugu language for better understanding purpose. Okay, so from unit number 1, the first important question is define business economics. In long or in short, compulsory they will ask define business economics. Okay, so explain its nature, scope, characteristic, features, roles, importance, whatever it might be, the answer will be the same only. Okay, first all you need to learn is the definition of business economics or the meaning of business economics. Okay, meaning and definition are fixed for any type of question. Okay, so that's why meaning and definition as it is, however I am showing in my notes, like that only you need to prepare. What is this meaning of the business economics? Means business economics is an application of economics theories. It is the combined application of all the economic theories. Whatever the economic theories the scientists have been proved, all combinedly we are learning in business economics. It is also known as managerial economics. So business economics is also known as managerial economics. Another name for business economics is managerial economics. Okay, it helps in finding solution to business problems. So what does it do? Means it will give the suggestions, it will give the solutions to the problems which is related to the business. Okay, it act as a tool in decision making. So if you want to take the decision, we need to understand the position of the business. So when we'll get to understand the position of the business, when we will have the proper information, what proper tools which is there, which will be there by the business economy. So that's why it act as a tool of decision making. It is a combination of management and economics. So it is a combination of management as well as the economics, both combinedly we will learn in business economics. Okay, management, what it will do? Management, it will give the suggestions in the decision making, what are the things you need to do, everything. What economics will do? It will understand the market structure. Okay, to develop a product, to develop an organization, management plays a crucial role as well as the market plays a crucial role. When both we are balancing, then only we will get the profit for the organization. So it is a combination of the management and well as business. This 5 points whatever we are having in the meaning, that compulsory you need to remember. Okay, definition I have given only one definition. There are so many definitions, but I have choose MC, Nair and Merriam. So business economics deals with the use of economic models of thought to analyze business situation. What it will do? It will analyze all the business situation. It understand the business position, if what we need to do, how much sales we need to do. So it was, this definition was given by MC, Nair and Merriam. So this meaning and definition is fixed for any type of question. Okay, so next, nature of business economics. What is the nature of it? What is the character of it? Okay, so first one is demand forecasting. Okay, just you need to remember the side headings. The inside matter whatever is there, that belongs to the own. Okay, at the end, at the time of your examination, only side heading is important. Remaining matter, inside the matter, you should write by your own. What is demand forecasting? Means it will do the it will conduct a research in the market, what consumer is preferring right now. See, I'll tell some example. Now as the technology is increasing, in Instagram, when we'll see the reels, if one product is highlighted by one celebrity, many of the people around, the individuals who are living in the society, will automatically buy that product. Okay, what this business economics will do? It will forecast the demand. At present, what the demand is there for clothes, for books, for food or anything. So it will, what it will do? It will make a research on the consumer taste, consumer preferences, what is the demand in the market, that will do. That is called demand forecasting. All you need to remember the side heading and you need to understand the meaning. That's it. Okay. Next one, cost analysis. With the help of business economics, we will minimize the cost of the business. Cost is nothing but expenses. Okay, if we are running an organization, we'll get to know the what are the things we need to do in this month, in this year. Anything we'll get to know by business economics. When we are getting to know all the procedure, all the analysis, all the strategies what we are placing, when we'll get to know, that time what we will do, automatically we will try to reduce the cost, right? If you want to do the recipe for your dinner, you will get to know all the ingredients what you are having. So based on that you will make a cost analysis, how much cost it will be. Probably if you want to do a biryani, how much cost it will be, you will make some analysis, no? So same like that only, when we'll get to know the cost, automatically we will try to minimize the cost in the organization. So that is the second point. Third point is profit analysis. What business economics will do means, it will analyze the profit. What are the various techniques we need to follow to increase our sales? When increasing our sales, automatically builds profit only, right? So that's why it will help for the profit analysis also. Fourth one is capital management. Okay, capital management is nothing but how much putting your capital into a organization to build a product, to build a good. So when you'll get to know the cost of the products, when you'll get to know the demand for the product in the market, everything will get to know by business economics. Automatically you will analyze your capital management also. Okay, so when if you are putting 1 lakh as an investment, how much rate of return it is getting, whether it is getting 1 lakh plus or 1 lakh below, we will get to know. Okay, if you are investing something to the some product means, definitely you will make an analysis based on the circumstances what you are having, right? So fifth one is better utilization of business resources. With the help of business economics, what this business economics will do means, it will utilize all the resources, all the tools whatever you are having in your business. It will use everything. It helps in utilizing everything. Utilizes nothing but everything. Okay, so when you use every product in your business, automatically you will able to fix a price for your product. Okay, what it will do, it will see, to complete a product, to invest to complete a raw product into finished good, you are getting a cost of 1000 rupees. When you will get to know the cost of the one product, then only you will try to keep the rate for that product, no? After getting to know the cost, then you will put the 1500 per product, like that you can. So that is better utilization of business resources. The last point is better use of economic plan and policies for economic development. So what it will do, it improves the business units. When you increase your strategies, when you improve your strategies, automatically your plans and policies will be helpful, and automatically it will lead to the economic development through your taxes which is paying to the government. So the 6 points, if you are remembering in your mind, means what type of questions related to the business economics, either they are asking roles, nature, scope, functions, whatever it might be, you can add these 6 points. Okay, understanding? See, for example, scope of business economics: demand analysis and demand forecasting. Demand analysis is nothing but how much demand is having at present in the market. Demand forecasting is nothing but how much it may have the demand in future for this product. Okay, demand forecasting is nothing but analyzing the demand for future purpose. Just now we have discussed in first point, strategic planning. What is strategic planning? We will do some strategies to improve our sales, to improve our production. Cost analysis, pricing strategies, profit management, market structure analysis, everything we have discussed in the above only, no? Just now we have discussed. You can include that points in the role also. Hardly 6 to 7 points is enough. 3 sides of the answer, must and should. Okay, see, if they are asking roles of business economics also, the same points. What is the points? It helps in allocation of resources. Allocation of resources is nothing but better utilization of resources. Business demand analysis and demand forecasting helps in strategic planning, helps in production planning, helps in cost analysis, helps in pricing strategies. Everything we have discussed just now only, no? So that's why what I am saying is that 6 points whatever I have explained, that is enough for any type of questions related to the business economics. Either they may asking scope, nature, features, whatever it might be. Okay, or else you take a screenshot of it, you can learn the side headings also. This is the characteristic features. What is the characteristic features? The first one is analyzing the business problems. What business economics do, what business economics will do means, it will understand the organization structure, it will understand what are the problems are there in the organization. That is called analyzing business problem. Second one is goal oriented. When we'll get to know the position of your organization, we will set certain goals, no, like in 1 month we need to complete this much sales, in second month we need to complete this much sales, like that. Okay, next, usage of tools and techniques, normative science, pragmatics is nothing but practical theories we will use. Microeconomic nature. Micro means for small scale industries, this business economics plays a important role. Okay, economic theory, it will follows integration of theory into practice. Integration of theory into practice means whatever we are learning in the book, we will get to know in the practical manner, we will use that theories. So that is the features of business economics. So compulsory we can expect one question from business economics. So try to learn, try to remember that 6 to 7 points. These many points is there, Noma. Try to remember any 7 to 8 points, and 3 sides of the page must and should. Introduction and meaning and definition is same whatever I have showed. This is the notes which I am prepared. If you see the material, you will get the lengthy answers and you will not able to understand. Better you refer these notes. I have uploaded these notes in the Telegram group. Okay. The next important question from unit number 1 is law of diminishing marginal utility. Define utility and what is the law of DMU. Okay, so compulsory, out of these 2 questions, 1 question we can expect in part B. Okay, so what is a utility? This point you need to write it in your examination. Want a satisfying power of a commodity is known as utility. When you are getting so much satisfaction by that product, that satisfaction level is known as utility. That is called want satisfying power of a commodity is known as utility. This sentence compulsory, you need to be in your answer. Okay, it refers that how much a commodity will able to satisfy a human want at a particular period of time. See, by eating one product, how much satisfaction will I get? Okay, what happens if I get so much satisfaction? If we go on eating the same product at the same time, what is the maximum level? Means when we are getting the additional benefit, when we are getting the extra benefit from that product, when we are getting the extra benefit from the object or a product, that is called marginal utility. Okay, so according to the law of DMU, according to Alfred Marshall, this law was developed by Alfred Marshall. What he was saying means the additional benefit which a person derives from a given increase of his stock or thing, and which diminishes every increase in the stock that he already has. Marginal utility, what I have said, additional utility which we are deriving from an additional benefit is called marginal utility. When you go on increasing your marginal utility, automatically you will decrease, automatically at some point it will decrease your, automatically it will diminish your marginal utility. First you will increase your satisfaction, then later on automatically the satisfaction level will diminish. Diminish means nothing but decreasing. Okay, what this statement of law of DMU is, other things being constant, the quantity of demand, the quantity of consumed increases, the marginal utility will decrease. When you increase your commodity, marginal utility will always decrease. అంటే మీరు ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు మీ యొక్క సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ ఏమవుతుంది, ఆటోమేటికల్లీ డిక్రీజ్ అయిపోతుంది. అదే ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ లా ఆఫ్ డిమినిషింగ్ మార్జినల్ యూటిలిటీ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, see here, when you are consuming 0 apple, your satisfaction level will be 0 only. Okay, when you eat first apple or take anything, biryani, whatever it might be, your favorite food. Okay, if you are taking first apple, you will have the satisfaction of 2. Means when you eat first apple means you will get so much satisfaction. It is a sweet, like you will feel like so much comfortable, you will feel like yummy, like that. Okay, when you eat second apple, then automatically extra benefit you are getting. Okay, instead of eating one apple, you are eating two apples, so that you will feel more satisfied from that product, right? When you are eating third apple, when you are eating again the third apple in the same time continuously, means you will feel that your tummy will be full, and you will feel that okay, it's nice, like that only you will feel. When you eat fourth apple, again your satisfaction level will decrease. Compared to the last one, it will decrease. See, here we are having the constant, again it is decreasing to 2. Is nothing but hare amma, it was okay, my stomach was full, like that you will feel. When you eat go on fifth apple, again it will decrease. Means when you increasing your commodity, automatically your marginal utility is decreasing, as well as it is going into the negative also. Negative, if you go on eating the apples at a time, means automatically at some position you will feel the stoppage of your apples, and if you go on eating that only, means you will get vomit sensation, you will get some type of anything, that is called negative only, no? So that is the thing. When increasing in quantity of a commodity, automatically marginal utility will decrease, total utility also will decrease. That is what we are showing in the diagrammatic representation. So this is the diagrammatic representation. In x-axis quantity of apples is there, in y-axis total utility and marginal utility. So this is called total utility, this is called marginal utility. Total utility, first it will increase and it will decrease. Marginal utility will increase, decrease, increase, and it will go on to the negative slope. So this is the diagrammatic representation of law of DMU. See, till here if you are remembering, means the remaining answer what you need to write is the table explanation. How you need to write the table explanation? We all know, no? When we are consuming 0 apple, the total utility and marginal utility is 0. When we are consuming third apple, the total utility is 8, marginal utility is 3. Like that you go on, expand your answer. Okay, simple thing. When you increase the quantity of a commodity, automatically your marginal utility will decrease. If you remember this point, means then definitely you can write it, the law of DMU answer by your own. Okay, so next what are the assumptions? Assumptions is nothing but what are the rules you need to follow to perform this law. The first one is homogeneity. Homogeneity is nothing but whatever we are consuming, it is like homogeneity in nature. That is not, if first apple is size and color, the quantity should be same. Okay, for example, the first cup of milk, if you are drinking an ordinary milk, and the second cup of milk if you are drinking masala milk, means you will have some different satisfaction level. So this type of things will not be like included in performing law of DMU. If you are drinking milk, means normal milk, means second glass of milk, third glass of milk, that 10th glass of milk also you should drink normal milk only. Means the quantity, the commodity should be same. Okay, that is called homogeneity. Second one, continuity in consumption. So while performing this law, you need to continually you need to consume that product. That is called continuity. See, if you are eating the apples at a time, you need to eat. First morning I will eat, afternoon I will eat, evening I will eat. Means this law will never work out. That is called continuity in consumption. Third one is reasonability. Reasonability means whatever the law you are performing, that should be reasonable in nature. For example, we should think that a glass of milk, a cup of tea, like that, instead of a spoon of milk, a spoon of tea, like that you should not do. Like silly experiments you should not do. When you are doing an experiment, it should have some reasonability and it should have some sense to analyze that thing. Okay, fourth one is constancy. Constancy is nothing but when throughout the consumption, a consumer who is taking that product, he should have the taste and preference. For example, you like biryani, I like some veg type of biryani. So if whatever the food you like, that only we need to keep it. Okay, if you don't like non-veg, means if I keep going on to give you the non-veg, means this law will never work out. The consumer should have the same taste and preference. Okay, second, the fifth one is rationality. Rationality is nothing but when a person is consuming that products, he or she must have the maximum satisfaction. Okay, like ఎలా అంటే ఏదో మొహమాటానికి చెప్తున్నట్టుగా ఉండొద్దు. యూ నీడ్ టు ఫుల్ఫిల్ యువర్ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ నీడెడ్. దట్ ఈస్ ద రేషనాలిటీ. ఓకే, third, sixth one is cardinal utility. Cardinal utility is nothing but when you are doing the commodity, it should be measurable in numbers. That is called cardinal utility. Okay, so what are the exemptions in this type of things? This law will never work out, and importance for this means finance minister, social to bargain, helpful to procedure producers. It is not important, but I am saying. Okay, so what is the law of DMU? Definition of law of DMU, statement of law of DMU, table and graph explanation, assumptions and exceptions is important. That's it. If you are remembering this much, it means more than 3 sides of the page you can write it. Okay, so this is the thing. And you are having law of substitution also, that is called law of equimarginal utility, but no need. Okay, whoever want to learn this, you can learn. It is having in my PDF. This is also I have wrote in my answer, so you can do it. Okay, but no need. Okay, present no need. Who want only one question you will able to attempt in part B. No, the first 2 questions if you are reading means it will be enough. Okay, this is my notes. Remaining notes also I will show. This is the another notes. One of the student has shared this note to me, so this is also I will upload it in our Telegram group, so you can refer this notes also. So, okay, so the previous one which I have showed, whichever I have explained, that is my notes. I have prepared that notes. So remaining answer for 4 marks, if you want to learn means you can learn it from here. Okay, micro and macro economics will be helpful for 4 marks answer. Okay, for that you can refer this notes. Anyway, this notes also I will upload in our Telegram group. Okay, so this is the same. See, this is the total utility, marginal utility, same law of diminishing marginal utility graph. So compulsory you need to draw the diagram in your booklet only. There is no way that they will not give any graph papers to you. In your booklet only you need to write it. Okay, so this is all about the unit 1 explanation of business economics. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, and let me know whether my explanation is understandable or not, and also how many members are watched till the last till this time, till last minute of the video. Also, how many watched? Please let me know in the comment section, so that I will get to understand whether my explanation is understandable or not. Okay, can I continue in English or can I continue in Telugu? That also you refer me. Okay, so this is all about the video. All the very best for your preparation and examination. See you all next video. Bye bye everyone.